If you want to connect Xiaomi Watch 5 with an Android phone, then what you need to do is once you turn on your Xiaomi Watch 5, once you see the Let's Go text, you will probably also find this arrow. We're going to tap on it in order to continue. Then over here we can choose the language that we want to use during the configuration. So I'm going to choose English United States. And then we have the information that we need to download Xiaomi Sports Health app in order to add a device. Now this is wrong, unfortunately. I'm not sure why it tells us to get the Xiaomi Sports Health app, because we need to actually get the Mi Fitness app or Mi Fitness app, which we can get from the Google Play Store. If you have a Xiaomi Poco or Redmi smartphone, there is a chance that you already have this app, so you will not have to download it. But still, if you don't have it, or if you have just any other Android smartphone, you can just get it for free from the Play Store. And of course, we're going to open the app once you have it. We're going to go to the device section here at the bottom, and then we should be able to scroll down on our watch. You can use the crown to scroll down as well, and we have this QR code. You can use the scanner in order to scan this QR code and pair the smartwatch with the phone, or you can choose the Add a Device button in order to find the Xiaomi Watch 5 here on this list. It uses the Bluetooth instead of scanning the QR code. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna use the scanner, so let's just scan the QR code. There we go, now we are pairing. And let's wait a couple of seconds. Over here we have the progress. There is also this Bluetooth pairing code, which we need to confirm. It checks out, so let's just tap on pair. We can agree to, well, we need to agree to terms and conditions, but we can also turn off user experience program, and we don't have to send usage and diagnostic data. So over here, I'm just going to check that we have read and agreed to user agreement and privacy policy. Then we're going to continue. We have Google terms of service as well, so you can toggle location and usage and diagnostic reports. So let's just tap on I agree over here. And now we just need to go through all of these different steps that you will see on your smartphone. Here at the bottom, like I said, we have the progress. So just follow all of the instructions that you will see on your phone. You will see an information about parental controls, but you can just tap on the next. Then we can add a Google account onto our Xiaomi Watch 5. So I'm just going to continue over here. You can also skip that if you want to. Enter your screen lock password in order to continue as well. There we go. We are now signing in. In my case, I decided to add the Google account that I have on my phone onto my Xiaomi Watch 5. There we go. Now we're going to tap on the next just to continue. And as you can see, it is very, very simple. You just have to keep pressing next and next and next, all of these buttons. Over here, we have the information about Gemini. Xiaomi Watch 5 has Gemini, so here is the introduction. We can also see how to activate Gemini. You can press and hold the crown in order to activate it, or you can use your voice if you activate Hey Google, which is the voice activation for Gemini. And you should be able to turn on Hey Google right now, as you can see here. So if you want to use it, you can tap on I agree and continue the setup. If you don't need to use it, you can just tap on no thanks. And you can still, of course, set up the Hey Google voice command later on, for example, by going to settings on your smartwatch. Over here, we can set up the pin code or pattern. You can also skip this if you don't need the password. So I'm just going to skip. Of course, just like with the Hey Google, you can set up the password later on in settings of your smartwatch. Over here, we also have some additional apps that you can download straight away for your Xiaomi Watch 5. So I'm just going to keep these over here. So I have the YouTube Music and Google Messages. So I'm going to install them as well. And we're going to tap on continue. If you want to, you can skip, of course. It's up to you which apps you want to get straight away, if any, of course. And we should be pretty much done. Now over here we have set successfully, at least this is what the smartwatch has told us. So we're gonna tap on this check. And we are starting. Over here we can tap on done. Here we have some bunch of different settings related to our Xiaomi Watch 5. You can of course go through them in order to make some small adjustments straight away. In the meantime, of course, we can also wait for the Xiaomi Watch 5 to finish the setup. It shouldn't take too long. And that is essentially everything that you have to do to connect your Xiaomi Watch 5 with your Android smartphone. There we go. There is also the introduction to the smartwatch, so you can tap on start over there to learn how to use your smartwatch if you don't know how to do that yet. In my case, I'm just gonna skip because I already know how to, of course, use all of these different buttons and stuff like that. There we go, tutorial complete. And you can now enjoy your smartwatch. If you go to the apps list for the first time, you will see a little bit of options as well. I mean, some introductions. And there we go. Here we have the list of apps. So you can press the crown to open it. You can also go to layout to, for example, switch to icons and text so you can see the app names as well. And that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.